Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so freaking excited because I'm doing a foundation review for you guys today on a brand that has recently come to Walmart. It's a new drugstore brand. This is Carter Beauty, and I'm testing out their half measure dewy foundation. So I am super excited. I have tested this brand out before, and I do like their products. I've tried like their face palette. I have a whole video on it. I'll link it up in an iCard. If you're interested, you can go check it out. But I'm so excited. It's been a little hot minute since I've tested out a new foundation, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. So this is how my reviews go. I test it out throughout the whole entire day, and I check in throughout the day. I also see if it transfers, does it oxidize? I do a flash test. I bring you guys in super close so you can see how it looks on my face. I have normal dry skin, and I test it with my fine lines. I'm testing it all, so I hope you really enjoy the video. If you are new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and also make sure you hit the like button if you like foundation reviews, and you can always tell me down below what foundation you want me to test out or try next. Comment below. I always answer you guys' comments, and I always see it, and I write down the kind of videos that you guys want me to do. I always write them down. So give me suggestions down below. But yeah, let's just get started. So first off, Carter Beauty can be found at Walmart. It can also be found on the website. I will link the website below. This foundation retails for $18.95 on Walmart's website. It's a little bit pricier for Walmart, but supposedly it's supposed to be really, really good. So this one, they come in 12 shades. I have two shades here. I have the shade Caramel Chew, and I have the shade Creme Brulee. I'll put a list of foundations that match me down below if you're trying to shade match, and we'll see which one matches me the best. But this claims to be hydrating, light, oil-free, sheer dewy, light to medium coverage, buildable, cruelty-free. So it's glides into the skin with its hydrating water-based formula. The light texture provides such a dewy finish you'll forget it's even on. The dewy glow gives an illusion that you're bare-faced with a flawless skin. Half-measure dewy foundation is buildable for a light to medium coverage. So it's supposed to look like you're bare-faced, but it's still supposed to give you a little bit of coverage. Light, medium, that's a pretty good coverage. I like that coverage. And then we're gonna start putting it on the face. And I always use this same primer whenever I'm testing out foundations because this is a great primer for someone with dry skin. This is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer from Ciate. I will link it down below. So I'm gonna start by priming the face. Carter Beauty does have some primers, but I wanna test that out on another day when I'm not testing out the foundation for the first time. So I have here Caramel Chew and Creme Brulee. So let's swatch this and see which one is gonna match me. This is Caramel Chew. Ooh, I think it's gonna be this one. I don't know. Let's see what Creme Brulee looks like. Oh, actually, I think it's Creme Brulee that's gonna match me the best. That Creme Brulee, if you're gonna just buy one and you are my foundation twinsy, Creme Brulee seems like it's gonna be a good match, but I'm gonna mix them since I have them both. Maybe I should shake it up because it seems like it's kind of thick, but it's supposed to be not thick. Like for a water-based foundation, this isn't as... Water-based foundations are usually pretty thin, so interesting. So we're gonna see what happens. So it is supposed to have a light, medium coverage. It's supposed to be buildable, but it is supposed to be skin-like. So I know with the sponge it's gonna be less coverage. Yeah, they should have, I think with this product, they probably should have had a doe foot applicator because it's not thin enough to actually use it as a drop foundation, but ooh, it's looking nice on the skin. It is looking very skin-like. It's not as glowy as I thought, which is good. I was worried it was gonna be like super glowy and just look odd. That makes sense, like look like my face is wet or make my face feel hot, but it's not. It's glowy, but not like not too bad. It looks nice. It does look skin-like. Ooh, that does look very nice. Can you guys see the difference? Okay, I'm gonna go in with a brush on this side. Actually thinking I think I'll do like Creme Brulee by itself a little better. Okay, so I'm going with this brush. Sometimes water-based foundations kind of sink into your sponge and your sponge like slurps it all up because it's thinner. This one doesn't do that, so that's really good. Actually, using with the sponge has actually worked pretty well, so I'm pretty impressed so far. And it seems to be melting straight into the skin, like I'm not getting brush strokes at all. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is a nice foundation, guys. Ooh, look how much coverage I added to this thing I had here. Did you guys see that? Oh yeah, it's adding some good coverage. It's dewy, but it's not too dewy. Like it looks glowy, but it's not like wet looking on the skin. It does look glowy, but it doesn't feel like hot and like wet. But I am gonna need to set it. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna do my concealer, everything, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how the foundation looks after I set. I'm gonna be using the setting powder I always use, which is the Peach Perfect Translucent Powder, and I'll be back. I finished the rest of my makeup and I thought I would tell you guys, just in case you're curious, I will put down below everything that I put on my face. Let me bring you in super close so we can see how the foundation is now looking. Oh my gosh, and I have some pores, you guys, and texture, and my skin looks baby smooth right now. Baby smooth. It looks absolutely flawless on my lines. My forehead lines are so bad, and this looks so freaking good. I love that it's light medium and that I could actually build it up to a medium coverage. Like, I think that this looks really nice. If I didn't have those dark spots on the right side of my face, it actually I would look absolutely flawless, and it does look like my skin. This is very skin-like. Wow. Can I just give a moment? Let's say bravo to Carter Beauty, because I've tried a lot of drugstore foundations, and drugstore foundations, they are beautiful. They give you coverage, but it's not very often that you find one that actually looks skin-like, that actually smooths over any bumps or pores that you have and still looks very skin-like. Like, usually any skin-like foundations that I recommend to you guys are usually always high-end, because drugstore's just lacking in that way. It's like, don't get me wrong, the Fresh Wear from ColourPop is really good. It's a really good foundation. That one's a good foundation, but this one looks so skin-like. It looks like a high-end foundation to me. So I'm really excited, because so far it looks amazing. Fine lines, it looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I look younger. I look younger with this foundation. Anyways, so I'll be testing this out throughout the day, and I'll bring you guys in and I'll share with you guys what it looks like really close throughout the day. I'll also do a natural lighting test so you can see how that looks. If you want sneak peeks, if you're someone that wants sneak peeks, then you have to be following me over on Instagram, because I always give you guys foundation review sneak peeks the day that I'm testing it, so you can see it live. So you definitely want to be following me over there. But yeah, it is 11 o'clock. And I'll see you guys very soon. So I'm in front of the window. I'm in natural lighting. I thought I would show you how the foundation looks and kind of like the match that it has there. It actually looks so good right now. I am so freaking impressed. And wow, I am loving my lashes. It's been such a long time since I've worn lashes. It's been months, and I miss my lashes because they're just so nice. Anyways, this is how it looks so far. Looking freaking flawless for the drugstore. I'm impressed. As you see a naked child running around in the background. Okay, it's been 5 hours, and I thought I would check and I would show you guys how my foundation is looking. It's looking so good. I'm in front of natural lighting right now, but it's looking so freaking amazing. might be my new favorite foundation. I mean, just look at it. It looks glowy but smooth. And I did wear a mask and it still looks great. Yeah. I like it. I'm very, very, very impressed. Okay, so I'll check in at the very end of the night and we'll see how it looks then. Okay, so I did film the last check-in right before I went to bed to show you guys what my face looked like. This is a couple days later. I wanted to think about it and tell you guys my thoughts on this Carter Beauty foundation and what I think about it, but I will be showing you guys what it looked like at the very end of the night. I do like it. It actually kept its coverage, and I feel like at the end of the night it wasn't gone. It still looked really nice and skin-like. I was really impressed, but keep in mind, Carter Beauty is a little bit more expensive for the drugstore, so keep that in mind. But this is a really pretty dewy foundation, and it's really pretty summertime foundation. I felt like it looked so skin-like, and I feel like in the drugstore, it's really hard to find a foundation that really does look like your skin, but better, like your youthful plumpy skin. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm sorry. You're just gonna have to try out a good foundation that makes you look plumpy, smooth and youthful, because this actually, I felt like it did it. I have texture, I have pores, and I feel like this looked really good. I have fine lines, and I feel like this looks really, really good. And it is dry girl approved because I really love it. I also did do a flash test, and it did not give me a flashback. It did not oxidize. It didn't transfer all that much that I noticed. Usually with foundations, if it's sliding around my face, I can really notice it, like on my kids' clothing, on my husband's clothing, on my mask. I didn't really notice it that bad with this one. I really liked it. I think it also looks amazing in pictures. Whenever I put this on, I went to these tulip fields to take pictures with my kids, and I'll show you how the pictures turned out. I feel like this looked so gorgeous, especially for something that's like light medium coverage. I think this looked so freaking good. I'm super impressed, and this is definitely has made it up to my top 5 drugstore foundations because I like it that much. So if you're wondering what I think about it, I like it. I think you should try it. It is a little bit less expensive than higher end foundations, and it works really, really well. I did enjoy it. It has a nice glass bottle. So let me know what you guys think of how you think it looked on me. Let me know down below. Also, let me know what your favorite foundation is, your favorite drugstore foundation is down below in the comments, so I can look and I can try out some more drugstore foundations. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the review. I really miss doing foundation reviews for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to go follow me over on Instagram to see more of the pictures from the tulip garden. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.